how to turn on or turn off press volume up to answer calls on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on accessibility, then tap on interaction and dexterity. After that, we go down, then tap on answering and ending calls. Now tap on press volume up to answer calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn this feature on or switch it off. Now when you turn this on, you can press on the volume up button to answer the call. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.